Here is the strongest Real Madrid of all time. Forget the Galacticos. The greatest Real Madrid in history is the one led by Zinedine Zidane from 2016 to 2018. A team that dominated, crushed, and amazed. 3 consecutive Champions Leagues. Unprecedented. In goal, Keylor Navas. Underestimated, but imperial. He guarded the net of the greatest club in the world with calmness and dignity. In defense, on the right, Dani Carvajal, tireless, a silent warrior. In the center, Sergio Ramos, a legendary captain, savior of great knights. Beside him, Rafael Varane, with speed, intelligence, and serenity. On the left, Marcelo, a defender with the talent of a number 10. He dribbled like a winger and inspired like an artist. In midfield, the beating heart of this dynasty. Casemiro, the invisible wall, a nightmare for opposing playmakers. Toni Kroos, with German precision, the metronome of play. And Luka Modric, the Croatian genius, the man of impossible matches, a legendary midfield trio. And up front, it was hell for all defenses. Karim Benzema, the brain of the attack, long in the shadows but now shining. Gareth Bale, a flash of genius with goals from another planet. And above all, Cristiano Ronaldo, the king, the scorer of the impossible, the man of finals, hat tricks and records. This Real played for him, and he carried them into legend. And you? Which is your favorite Real Madrid? The Zidane team? The Galacticos? The Real from the 50s? Let us know in the comments.